APC governors didn't plot Eze Iyamu's loss. VON chairman Osita Okechukwu claims. The Director General, Voice of Nigeria (VON) and chieftain in All Progressive Congress (APC) Osita Okechukwu has dismissed claims by former APC National Chairman North Central Ahmed Wambai over a conspiracy by the party's governors against the party in the last governorship election in Edo State. Okechukwu assertion was against claim by Wambai that the governors worked against the party's candidate, Osagi Eze Iyamu, in the election to the purpose of diminishing the immediate past national chairman of the party, Comrade Adams Oshomole, who backed the candidate. Wambai had told Saturday's Sun that an amalgamation of interests in the APC determined to control the party ahead of 2023 worked against the party in Edo State. But responding, Okechukwu said, rather than engage in fruitful introspection and reflection of the misadventure of Comrade Adams Oshomole's disastrous chairmanship, Ahmed Wambai and some of his disciples via all media outlets are spewing negative narratives against our great party, Okechukwu said. This vile propaganda must stop forthwith, and as a matter of fact, we all should accept our mistakes and engage through introspection on how the stocks of APC fell from 25th states in June 2018 when Comrade assumed the helms of affairs of our great party to 19 states today. Those who reinvigorated the PDP, which was in a state of discipline, decline in 2019, should apologize rather than resort to blame games. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, they are just looking for who to cast blames on. You see, it's always like that in every organization. In an organization where you're working, some persons will have its own faction, while some will have its own faction. And this faction will be speaking for themselves, will be supporting themselves. You understand? Why the other faction will equally be supporting themselves. So they will never speak on one voice. And that is one of the problems that an organization is having. Their inability to speak on one voice. By doing that, they are causing a very huge separation and a very big problem to the organization. Now, coming to the party, in fact, the political party is even the worst. The faction that exists in political party is up to 10. So why wouldn't they experience problem? Why wouldn't they experience breakup? Why wouldn't they experience failure? Look at APC used to control 25 states. But the moment Adams Oshomole assumed office as the chairman of APC, it declined to 19. Is that not a failure? Now they have just lost Edo State. Now we are looking at Ondo State now. Only God knows if they are going to win Edo State. If they lose Edo State, it means that APC is going down drastically. They are already going down. You check it from 25 to 19. Approximately how many deducted? 6 states deducted. They are declining. They are declining. So what are we saying? What are we talking about? There is every reason to step on Oshomole. There is every reason to dismiss him, to totally dismiss him out of the party. He is a complete disappointment and a failure to the people. Okay, look at what his faction are saying. They're casting blames on people that doesn't know anything about it. It's wrong. What are they saying? Okay, you can see what Okechukwu, the chairman of VON, have just said. That it's not true. That what they are saying is not true, and it can never be true. All eyes are open. All eyes are open. There was no single plot against anyone. How can they in APC be against their own candidate, Eze Iyamu? because because they want to deal with Adams Oshomole. No. If they want to deal with Adams Oshomole, it's a very simple thing. They can deal with it in a very simple case, in a very simple way. Not at the expense of causing failure for the party. They will not do that. They are just cooking up stories to see reason why their faction should not be blamed for their failure in Edo gubernatorial election. Yes, Adams Oshomole has failed. He has failed. He has failed. They should not start cooking up stories. It's too early for that. Let them start thinking of Ondo State, and how to help matters in Ondo State, because the bad record they have just created in Edo State might affect them in Ondo State. It's not a question of incumbency. It's not a question of incumbency. They might lose. They might lose because the Akeredolu is they are gradually getting a very wrong profile of Akeredolu. They are gradually getting a very wrong profile about Akeredolu. So something should be done, because APC is gradually losing all the states. It's so painful and so disappointing about them. You understand? So disappointing. So, in APC meeting, they should deliberate on this matter. They should see how to help settle this issue. They should not allow this issue to cause more harm to the party, because I am seeing more problems coming in APC party. Big problems that even they themselves cannot be able to handle. I'm telling you. Right? And they are the ones causing this problem. They are the ones behind this problem that they are going through. You understand? So something should be done concerning this issue. If it means calling Adams Oshomole, try to know the areas he has failed, okay, and start tackling the issue from there. Clicking Oshomole together with the present chairman of APC, so that Oshomole will be revealing some of those things to the chairman, while the chairman start tackling the issues from there, because the failure of APC begin with the moment Oshomole assumed office. If I'm not right, you can misquote, you can quote me wrong. You understand what I'm saying now? So that is that, my viewers. So please, your comments are also very important on this matter. Okay, please, you do well to leave those comments of yours below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.